Dear students, 4th standard students, let's see the page number 7 to 11. I've already uploaded the video of page number 12, and page number 12 is most important topic. I've already discussed about page number 12. Here you can see this is a drawing of another beautiful jali. You can see the beautiful jali over here. Now color some brick red and make your own jali patterns in the wall drawn below. Here the one wall pattern means wall pattern is given. There you can draw a beautiful jali and use red color. Use red color. Okay, I will provide you the image of jali. So next, can you see the window in this photo of the school? Here one window photo is given. So in Hindi we can say it is Jarokha. It is called Jarokha. So now draw some Jarokha patterns on the wall. Here you can set it black. So here the Jarokha pattern is given. Same pattern you can draw over here or different pattern, but use black color. Use black color. Now let's see the next page. Here on the next page, here you can see here two images, 1 and 2. These two images are of jali pattern. So this jali is from a library building in Kerala. So here you can see this jali pattern from a library building in Kerala. See how the edge of the brick is used to make a triangle in the wall. So here you can see they have make a triangle shape in the wall, so easily air can pass through it. Here, have you seen bricks that look like a triangle? Look at the bricks around the tree in this photo. Here you can see the tree in the photo. Here the brick is arranged in triangle form, so the water can store inside it. Now the next image you can see, this is called arc. So do you see the arc in this photo? This is from a school in Faizabad. So this is the photo of Faizabad. Find out, look for the arc around you and draw them. So where did you see the arc? You can find out and write the place name, and you can also draw in the maths notebook. Now let's see the next page, page number 9. Have you seen the arc in a bridge? Where else have you seen an arc? We can see this arc when the rainbow is formed. And we can also see same arc in the bridge also. Now here a special arc in this photo from Odisha. See how the arc is made. It has a nice name. Here you can see this arc. Odisha. This is a photo of Odisha. See how the arc is made. It has a nice name. Gungat Wali Mehrab. The name is given here. This part. So isn't the jali of this window beautiful? You can see this jali is also window jali is beautiful or not. If it is beautiful, then you can also try some another patterns of jali. It is made of thin bricks. Have you ever seen the thin bricks? Look around. You can also find the thin brick used in the jali and write the place's name. This is just like activity part for you. Here you can see here Jamal Kalu, the matron of Jagruti school, said that their grandfathers used many different kinds of brick. Some of these are shown in these photos. Here you can see the image of bricks. Like you can see this is like a big brick. Here different kinds of and different shapes bricks are there, but the number of faces will remain same. Always the brick has always 6 faces. So which of these bricks have curved edge? Curved edge means like this kind of. This is called curved edge. Right? This is not called curved edge. This is called polygon. Polygon means a figure which is made up of line segments. So it is called polygon. and if any part is curved, if any part of shape is curved, then it is called curved edges. So here I could see this brick has a curved, this brick has a curved edges. How many faces do you see of the longest brick? So this is longest brick, so I can see only one face. Is there any brick which has more than 6 faces? No. The brick has maximum 6 faces. The brick has maximum 6 faces. Now find out the size of a brick. So you can take a real brick. You can take a real brick and find out the length, width and height of the brick. So have you seen the brick of different size? So there are different size of bricks are available. So take one brick and measure it. So here the length of brick is 21 centimeter I took. Width is 10 centimeter and the height is 0.7 centimeter. Okay, you can also measure the real brick and write down your measurement. If Munia wants to make a wall 1 meter long, so how long bricks will she need to put in a line? So here we do the calculation. Here Munia wants to make Munia wants to make a wall 1 meter long. A wall 1 meter long. 1 meter long. So how many bricks will she need to put it? So how many bricks will she need to put in a line? She need to put in a line. So we have seen just now the length, breadth and height. The length is around 21 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter and height is 0.7 centimeter. Okay, suppose if Munia keep like this, so the length is 21 centimeter. This way if she wants to keep 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So as we know that she wants to keep 1 meter long. 1 meter long, so means 1 meter means it is 100 centimeter. So like 21, 21, 21 and 21. So she can keep around 5 bricks if she keeps like this way, or else if she keeps this way like here this is the length is 10 centimeter. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Like this is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 and 10. So 10 into 10, so it is become 100 centimeter. If she will keep this way, then she has to keep 10 number of bricks, and if she will keep this way, then 5 number of bricks. Clear? So now let's see the next part. Now bricks, hot and fresh. Ganesh and Sahiba live near a kiln where the bricks are made. So can you guess how high is the chimney here? Chimney means from where the smoke is coming out, and instruments from where the smoke is coming out. So isn't it? So it is about 5 meter long, 15 meter long, yeah, 50 meter long. So you can see this chimney is very big. So I think as per my knowledge it is about 50 meter long. 50 meter long. Now let's see the next page, page number 11. Page number 11. Here Ganesh and Sahiba love to look at the patterns of bricks in the long lines kept out to dry. So here you can see the long lines are kept to dry the bricks. So they also watch how bricks are made, means they are also watching how the bricks are made. So here are 4 pictures from the brick kiln. These pictures are jumbled up. Look at them and carefully. See A, B, C and D. So first you can see first a person will means here 3 or 4 people are there. First means they are collecting the dirt from the soil. So this one come first, and then they will put into the this shape brick shape. Here we can say it is beam. The second, then it will come out brick. This come third place, and the last they will arrange brick in this way. So first means they will collect the soil from the dirt, then they will put into the beam, okay, and then brick will come out and they will arrange in a line. So first, second, third and fourth. फिर how do you think a brick is made out of soil dug from the earth? Look at the picture and discuss in a group. So this is soil dug. Soil dug means it is like a mitti. And I already explained about the Indian and international place value number system. So here this is 100,000 means it is called 1 lakh. I already uploaded the video of Indian and international place value number system, and this one I already explained in my video also. So thank you. Chapter 1 activities part is over, and we will see the next chapter 2 in the next topic.